Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. Today I am going to show another Bitcoin graph chart, and I can describe everything what the Bitcoin graph going to and what he stand. So let's start. First of all, I am on the on day chart. You can see the graph is going to down. If I go to the 1 week chart, you can see last 1 week this graph is going to down. If I go to the 1 hour chart, you can see this graph is going to down. If I go to the 3 hour chart, you can see this graph also going to down, and if I go to the 4 hour chart, you can see this graph is going to down. If I go to the 1 minute chart, you can see this graph also going to down. If I go to the 15-minute chart, you can see this graph is going to down. And I want to see the 45-minute chart. You can see this graph also going to graph is going to up, but I think this graph is going to down. So we can define in on the chart. I think this graph is going to down. So if you see this, look, in this three graph, look this, there I make 3 scale. First scale is going to this point, and second scale is going to this point, and third scale is going to this point. I think it's the last position if the market not drop so more. My first thinking is this graph go to this point and then he go to up. I'm not sure, but my technical analysis said that this graph going to this position and going after that this graph going to up. And if I miss this point, I can go to this point up. If not go to the up at this point, then the graph going to this point. And the last point is the graph 100% sure if break through this point, and after that this graph at last going to this point and go up. So I think it's important for all who want researching Bitcoin graphs and chart. If you know the good decision or good prediction, please comment below and share your idea. So now I can share the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 38,280.90 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is 1 BTC is equal to 38,000 218.90 USD. I hope everybody liked the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.